for the soup. It's called afam.
Wow, guys, I finally made this soup. And you don't have to break a bank to make this soup. Just watch the video to the end and tell me how you feel about this video, guys.
Hey guys, again the life of Jojo Bennett. Again, I'm heading to the market to buy some soup ingredients. I've been craving for this soup for the past 2 weeks now, so I'm going to buy the soup ingredients in the market. Is afam soup. Afam soup is a delicacy from the south region of Nigeria. So this is the soup I'm going to make today, and I'm going to review the price to you guys, how much I'm going to buy each and every one of the ingredients I'll use it for the soup. Let's go inside the market together to buy the ingredient, then come back home, make the soup. So guys, sit back, stay tuned, and enjoy this show. Let's go guys together. Okay, give me one. You the think next one for me, sir. No, right. What do you get?
What do you want? No qualification.
Not to give them. And this cauliflower.
What do you make? How many?
I mean, if you come here so that to hear my conversation this time. Do you hear? Now you decide to come. I don't this.
Customer,
this one now was this a bit too. Nura, you don't start. This one don't get married.
I don't like it. You know by itself. Yes.
What do you want?
Alright, that finish, ma? No.
I want to buy. I got later make I ask you. And this your I make I go.
Might give you the red one.
Wait first now. This one where they put him on. Let me finish. Keep this one.
Might give you the red one.
And bring the red one there.
This one is okay. I didn't know the video.
We never even talk price. Finish.
This 315.
I beg. I don't get money. I don't plan to buy all this one. Hold on first. I will collect extra money.
So 1 plus 1. Your money is 2,000. No, I mean,
You need 2.5.
I don't know. It's 1,000. 1 for 100. This one 1,000.
You don't get they don't buy it. I know, I don't already buy it. Now just film this. I just finish from here and I'm going back. Hey guys, I'm in Karo Market. These are the soup ingredients. We have craving here. Afang leaf, madam is cutting it already. Then I'm going to buy water leaf and other stuff to prepare the soup. Then I will reveal the prices of the ingredient I'm here to buy today later to you guys.
Come on, go.
I like
Like this.
Well, God, if you want to come collect my New Year.
Look at the ones watching it.
Look at your video.
This thing, the girls.
Yes, if I need to give me that.
See this one. Fine, you go see come market. Huh?
You go see come market.
I'm not sure say you go come again.
No give me the they do me video now. No, give me that you don't start it. This place where they give me, not be the under.
Opera. Yeah?
I don't
Nah,
know.
from here
This
they
one no do by the time I
From here the time.
that one for you. Now this one nice sweet pasta. If you even sell for me from here, you know they're serious.
But this one I eat really.
I know. I can go find the.
Where you go find it?
You find small one.
Let me buy it.
I won't follow you buy now. They go price. I can just make the thing smell for the soup. I
I don't do this content now.
Where?
No. I think they're going to. Where you going? Yes, sir.
This one when no even all those things this type when they no deep dry that I beg. No, I beg. Now this one I said this one say give me now this one.
No.
Now let this thing where they like.
No, they go to don't change that transparent.
Yeah, don't change.
Don't change
Now
that.
let Yes, I want one. Mommy, this is I want one. Ah, now my person. Because I want to give you one. I feel you want to wear that drink, right? I see you. You
I'm seeing get something.
Hey guys, we are done buying everything we needed for the soup, so we're heading back home now. So sit back and stay tuned. We'll catch up with you guys. Bye. We're heading back home now. So guys, this is the ingredient I bought for my low budget afam soup. So I'm ready to start the soup. Now I'm ready to prepare the soup. Now I have everything washed. Yeah, this is goat meat. I bought this goat meat for 2,000 naira. Scotch bonnet pepper is 100 naira. This is periwinkle. Is 1,100 naira, 1 cup. So this is the main leaf for the soup. It's called afam leaf. I don't know the name in English, I'm so sorry. It's already been grounded with crayfish. This is water leaf. This is 400 naira. And this stockfish cost me 500 naira. And the smoked fish is 1,000 naira. I still have some crayfish left here. I bought the crayfish for 400 naira, so I used part of it to ground the leaf. This is the remaining one. So these are the ingredients I'm using for the soup. It doesn't need much ingredients. It's a low budget afam soup. So guys, I'm going to show you how the soup turn out at the end of the day. Then okay, I promise to show you guys everything. The price list. Yeah, this is my vegetables. I didn't have plan to buy vegetable, but of course they look so fresh, so I couldn't take my eyes off them. This is my cabbage, very cheap. This area things are affordable compared to Abuja metropolis. I bought this one for 150 naira. Then this is 800. It's my customer anyway. These two
Oh, this 3 bell pepper is how much? I think is 1,000 plus. I can't remember. It's about I think it's about 1,400, yes, in Nigerian currency. So yeah, I have other things. I need to. The kitchen is a small kitchen, so we don't have much space. This is my. This is my cauliflower. I bought this cauliflower and the purple cabbage for 1,500. Zucchini 500, and this for 200. Yeah. Okay. And oh yes, last but not the least, plantain for 1,000 naira. I'm going to start preparing the soup now. So when I'm done with it, I'll show you guys what it turns out to look like, and I'm sure I'll show you guys what the soup looks like. So guys, the protein is on fire now, so we're going to bring it to a boil until it's soft before we add the leaf, before we add the afam. So, this is the final look, guys. Can't have a taste. This looks so flavorful. Guys, come over and have a taste of this afam soup with me. You guys are all welcome. I'm making my wheat now, stirring it up. Yeah, food is ready, guys. This is the final look. This is my afam soup. Guys, come have a taste. This tastes so delicious, so flavorful. It's so mouth-watering, guys. Just come have a taste of this soup. Wow. I'm enjoying myself right now. I've been craving for this soup for some couple of weeks back now. So finally I'm having it. Thank you, guys. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As an African girl, this is the way we eat. We mold with our hand. We don't need cutleries. Please, guys, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit on the notification button. Like, share, leave a comment so you won't miss any of my future great content. Thank you, guys. I love you guys.